Dear girls, I will discuss today about the problems of let us work out 6.3. Here the problem is let us find values of the following mentally. That is, we have to calculate the values of these blanks mentally or orally. In problem 3, 12ab divided by what equal to 4ab. That is, it is the case of a division and we have to find the divisor. We have to find the divisor. This is absent and it is called divisor. This is dividend, divisor and quotient. And we know that divisor equal to dividend by quotient. Therefore 12ab, that is dividend, divided by quotient, that is 4ab equal to 3. AB divided by AB is equal to 1 and 12 by 4 is equal to 3. Therefore, the value is 3 and we have to calculate it orally. In this case, I have seen this, but you have to calculate these values orally or mentally. Next, 5. 9x square divided by 3x square. That is 9x square divided by 3x square equal to 3. Next, 0 divided by AB equal to 0. If we divide 0 by any number, then the value will be 0. But x divided by 0 is undefined or meaningless. We see this in the last class. That is, division by 0. Division by 0 is undefined. X to the power 0 into y equal to y. X to the power 0, the value of x to the power 0 is equal to 1. We see this in the chapter of indices. 1 into y equal to y. Question number C of 2. Let us multiply. We have to multiply these numbers. Minus 3a square into 4a square b into minus 2 equal to minus 3 into 4 into minus 2. We have to rewrite the numbers, the numerical coefficients first. We have to multiply the numerical coefficients of these expressions first. That is minus 3. In this case, the numerical coefficient is 4. In this case, the coefficient is minus 2. We will multiply these coefficients first, then a square into a square, and last into b. That is, the value is minus into minus is plus. 3 into 4 into 2 equal to 24. A square into a square equal to a to the power 4. That is a to the power 2 plus 2. That is a to the power 4 into b. Therefore, the required product is 24 a to the power 4b. In problem number B, we see that minus 2mn into 1 by 6 into m square n square into 13 m to the power 4 n to the power 4 equal to minus 2 into 1 by 6 into 13. All these are numerical coefficients of these algebraic expressions. We will multiply these coefficients first, then into m square into m to the power 4 into n square into n to the power 4 equal to, after simplification we get minus 13 by 3 into m to the power 1 plus 2 plus 4 using the property of indices, m to the power 1 plus 2 plus 4 into n to the power 1 plus 2 plus 4. That is, the value is minus 13 by 3 m to the power 7 n to the power 7. Therefore, the required product is this. In problem Z, we see that minus 3 by 5 s square t into 15 by 7 s t square u into 7 by 9 s u square equal to minus 3 by 5 into 15 by 7 into 7 by 9 into s square into s into t square into u into u square equal to minus, after simplification we get this is equal to 1. 1 into something equal to that value, equal to minus s to the power 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is s to the power 4, t to the power 1 plus 2, that is t cube, u to the power 1 plus 2, that is u cube. Therefore, the required product is minus s to the power 4 t cube u cube. Next, the problem of L 2 by 3 ABC whole into a square plus b square minus 3c square equal to 2 by 3 ABC into a square plus 2 by 3 ABC into b square minus 2 by 3 ABC into c square. By distributive property, we can write this using distributive property, equal to 2 by 3 into a square, that is the value is a cube, into bc plus 2 by 3 into a b into b square, that is b cube, into c minus 2 into a b c into c square, that is c cube. Therefore, the required product is this. The problem number n, 2x plus 3y into 5x minus y. Then, using the distributing property, we can write 2x into 5x minus y plus 3y into 5x minus y, that is equal to 2x into 5x minus 2x into y plus 3y into 5x minus 3y into y, 3y into y, that is equal to 10x square. 2 into 5 equal to 10, x into x equal to x square, that is 10x square minus 2xy plus 3 into 5 is equal to 15 yx, that is xy. Yx and xy are same. Minus 3 into y, that is y square. These terms are like terms. Minus 2xy plus 15xy are like terms. Then after simplification, we will get 10x square plus 13xy minus 3y square. Therefore, the required product is this. In problem 3 and 1 of 3, Shima planted 3x saplings in a row. In 2x such rows, let us find how many saplings Shima can plant. We see that the problem is given here. Shima planted 3x saplings in a row. In 2x such rows, we have to find how many saplings Shima can plant. In this case, we have to multiply 3x and 2x, then we will get the required result. Therefore, we write here Shima planted 3x saplings in a row. In 2x such rows, she can plant 3x into 2x equal to 6x square saplings. Here is the answer. 2. Problem number 2. The length of a rectangle is 4x plus 1 meter and its breadth is 3z meter. Let us calculate the area of that rectangle. We know that the area of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. The length of a rectangle is 4x plus 1 meter and its breadth is 3z meter. All these are given. Therefore, the area of the rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth equal to 2 into 4x plus 1, that is, which is the length of the rectangle, plus breadth, that is 3z meter, equal to 8x plus 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 2 into 3z equal to 6z, equal to 8x plus 6z plus 2 meter. In problem number 6, Sushobhan sold 729 y to the power 4 number of kites in 9y days. In 9y days, Sushobhan sold 729 y to the power 4 number of kites. We have to find the number of kites sold in average per day. That is, the number of kites in total he sold is 729 y to the power 4 in 9y days, and we have to find the average, the number of kites he sold in average per day. That is, we have to divide 729 y to the power 4 by 9y. We have to divide 729 y to the power 4 by 9y. Here the answer is given. Sushobhan sold 729 y to the power 4 number of kites in 9 days. Therefore, the number of kites sold in average per day is 729 y to the power 4 by 9y. Then after simplification we get 81 into y to the power 4 minus 1 using the property of indices. Y to the power 4 minus 1 equal to 81 y cube. Next, 4 of 4. Let us divide the first algebraic expression by the second algebraic expression in the following pairs of algebraic numbers. In 4, problem number 4, we see that here the dividend is 21 L cube M cube N cube and the divisor is minus 4 L to the power 4 Mn. Therefore, the division is here given equal to 21 L cube M cube N cube by minus 4 L to the power 4 Mn equal to minus 21 by 4 L to the power 3 minus 4 N to the power 3 minus 1 equal to minus 21 by 4 L to the power minus 1 M square N square equal to minus 21 M square N square by 4L. L inverse L to the power minus 1 means 1 by L. L to the power minus 1 means 1 by L. So, we will write L in the denominator. Therefore, the required quotient is minus 21 by 4 M square N square by L. In problem number 8, 36 a to the power 5 b square minus 24 a square b to the power 5. This is the divisor and this is the dividend. This is the dividend and it is the divisor minus 4 a square b square. Then after division we will get 36 a to the power 5 b square by minus 4 a square b square minus 24 by 24 a square b to the power 5 by minus 4 a square b square. Using the property of right distributive law for division, we can write this step using the right distributive property for division equal to minus 9 a to the power 5 minus 2 b square is discarded, minus is equal to plus 6 a square are discarded and b to the power 5 minus 2, that is minus a cube plus 6 b cube. Therefore, the required quotient is minus 9a cube plus 6b cube. In problem number 9, 3 pqr plus 6 p square qr square minus 9 p cube q square r cube by minus 3 pqr. Therefore, using the right distributive law for division of numbers, we can write this equal to 3 pqr by minus 3 pqr plus 6 p square qr square by minus 3 pqr minus 9 p cube q square r cube by minus 3 pqr equal to, all these are discarded, therefore the value is minus 1 for this expression, for this term. Then minus 2 plus divided by minus is equal to minus 2 p to the power 2 minus 1 and r to the power 2 minus 1 plus 3 minus divided by minus is equal to plus 3 into p to the power 3 minus 1 q to the power 2 minus 1 r to the power 3 minus 1 equal to minus 1 minus 2 pr plus 3 p square q r square. Therefore, the required quotient is minus 1 minus 2 pr plus 3 p square q r square. Then we have to simplify the following. We have to simplify the following expressions. Question number 2 of 5, a into b minus c minus b into c minus a minus c into a minus b equal to a into b minus ac minus bc minus plus ab, ba and ab, the terms are equal, the same, minus ca, that is minus ac, minus plus c into b, that is cb or bc, equal to minus bc plus bc. Those are discarded and After simplification we get AB plus AB, that is 2AB, minus AC that is minus 2AC. Then problem number 4, 3x square plus x into x plus 2 minus 3x into 2x plus 1 equal to 3x square plus x into x, that is x square, plus x into 2, that is 2x, minus 3 into 2, that is 6, x into x is x square, that is minus 6x square, minus plus minus 3x equal to 3x square plus x square minus 6x square. All these are like terms. After simplification we get 3 plus 1, that is 4, minus 6, that is minus 2, therefore minus 2x square, plus 2x minus 3x, these are like terms. After simplification we get minus x, therefore the simplified value is minus 2x square minus x. Then question number 6, a square plus b square whole into a square minus b square plus b square plus c square whole into b square minus c square plus c square plus a square whole into c square minus a square equal to a square into a square minus b square plus b square into a square minus b square, and we will write these using the distributive property. Plus b square into b square minus c square plus c square into b square minus c square plus c square into c square minus a square plus a square into c square minus a square. Then after multiplication we get a square into a square, that is a to the power 4, 2 plus 2, that is a to the power 4, minus a square into b square, that is a square b square, plus b square into a square is equal to a square b square, plus b square minus b square, that is plus minus b square into b square, that is b to the power 4. Similarly plus b to the power 4 plus minus b square c square plus c square b square, that is b square c square, plus c square minus c square, that is minus c to the power 4. All these are discarded there, and also plus c square into c square minus a square, that is c to the power 4 minus a square c square plus a square c square minus a to the power 4. After simplification we see that all these terms are discarded and the value is equal to 0. Therefore the simplified value is 0. I complete here the class.